Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get medium plug, only way. Start by checking your equipment and workspace, then gather the correct tools and replacement plug. Make sure the device is powered down and discharge capacitors if needed. Clean the connector area, align the plug precisely, and apply steady pressure while monitoring for proper seating. Confirm a solid connection by testing functionality and rechecking fasteners for long-term reliability. Begin by powering down and wearing safety gear, then remove any obstructing panels to expose the socket. Verify the plug orientation matches the socket keying and gently slide it in until you feel a tactile stop. Avoid forcing the connector if it resists, instead back out and realign. Once seated, fasten clips or screws, restore power, and perform a functional check to ensure the medium plug conducts correctly without heat or noise. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy addition that offers great sound and voice control for timers and guides while you work. It's compact, affordable, and easy to set up in any room. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter problems, stay calm and retrace your steps, inspecting for damage or debris. Clean contacts gently and try a spare plug if available to isolate the issue. Check for bent pins or misaligned shells and correct them before retrying. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct polarity after seating the plug, and monitor temperature during initial operation to confirm the connection is stable and safe for continued use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.